Good morning guys, hello baby here. Welcome on today's video. It's very, very special, and guys, it's another beautiful day which God have granted us. So right now I'm just in Border Town. Look, things are going in good way. So I just been here. I want to buy some 3 iron sheets. Tata unakora maisha ambi frera ya ansera Muyori amahoro tata. Tourist vehicle guys right here. So tata, I want to buy iron sheet here. Even know mabati hapa. Nipeleke msibani.
Ndio naenda msibani hapa.
Wapi?
Hivi ni wapi?
Wapi?
Hapo Keburi hapa.
Mimi sendi Keburi, niko nyumbani, kuna msiba.
Umefiwa?
Nyumba ingine baba mdogo alikufa.
Pole sana.
Sasa mbona tana nyumba yazoma hakaacha.
Kanyara kwa.
Tere ga akure na 40 years. Ndatete Okay guys, he was the one who make my mountain bike, the same guy, and I need to buy 3 iron sheets right now here. So we have my driver. Tutai. Oh. Yes. We need 3 iron sheets. Yeah, that's my baby right here. Hey, look. Super amazing. Takora ambigo. Mita 2.5. Hata domo zanzi. Ni shingapi? Wewe nipe. Mabati ni mabati.
Mabati ni mabati.
Omera.
Hapo hiyo mabati.
No, unajua tunajengea maiti siga linge. Kuna mabati.
Mabati? Hapo.
Hapa mna mix rangi haya. Guys, we need iron sheets. 3 of them. Chimbirani chokana tu simchana anochira. They are calling me right now. You heard? Hello.
Hello.
Hey, that.
Yeah, that.
Ngongo pakia.
Ngoko pakia.
Mita 6.
Guys, these are called from the funeral. They need iron sheets. What should I do? Acha nibebe mabati hapa. Kasong. Construction taking place right there. Acha nanunua mabati hapa. Baha, ndio mabati miti. Yako wapi bwana? Tanga 260 nario. Suande cannot pay. Here. 20. These are receipts, and it's around 2,400. Okay. Alright guys, I'm still waiting the iron sheets, and let me stay calm. So the guy which just offer we did, that's my driver for that bike right there. Guys, right now this is the iron sheets. I think this is 1, 2, 3. No, we're waiting 1, so we have only 2 here. 1, 2. We're still waiting 1 to be 3, and then boom. So it's coming from other side. Also, I see the super drum. When I'm going to start Mama construction, I need to have 3 of them. 2, I think 2, because we have another extra, and also some wheelbarrow like this, you know, for construction. 2 of them. So the day is coming. So that's the 3rd one. So and then after that, I'll take the receipts. Boom. Hey. Now you are a musician, Kasongo. So the good thing, I'll go with the receipt, a receipt at home. Iko wapi? Demke mbili restitui. Maana kungu restitui na wako. So we need to tight them. Boom. Tamata kungu restitui now. Construction taking place at the mosque. Imagine, that's the mosque that we have in Bora town here. Oh my God. Taringam. Ayo hema, nyorno ke pohere kono. Mata teme kukyo, ma ikona ratonyo. Okino ikuriso ko matanga ha. So guys, we are delivering this home. Alright guys, we're just heading home. You know. Whoa. Look at that. Tengo que cachicuyo. So that's the iron sheets. Just heading home, and I have the call. They're waiting the iron sheets. What should I do? Because it's my uncle. I need to volunteer to support them. Woo. See the tractor parking there. This is Isma. Okay, my brother, thank you. Here we go. So from that, we're gonna come to fix our bike after this video. Whoa, what is car? Let's go. Yeah. Wow, that's a massive. All of these that you see, that's kibandas. People are outside putting something on table, man. Well good, man. Let's go. That's your boy Hello Baby Official, fresh. And I just do it, man, from my bottom of my heart, you know. But to be honest, I didn't have something on my pocket, you know. So I bought that at on credit or on debt. So when I get the money, I will pay it later, because we are customers. Packing papers right there, making of sofa sets. This is crazy. Oh, like crazy, man. Yeah. It's a super special. It is what it is. Twende bia man. Let's go. Manye nkaharo ra ikibono ngemkinga ture kwireko. Wow. That will be my dream house in the future. Right there. And I can't complain, man. We just move in a smoothly way, you know. So when we decide to do something, we're gonna do it one and for all, you know, and then one and you forget it, man. Okay. God bless. Shida, come. Kids are from outside, man. That's a scoop right there. You see? It's too short. Imagine, guys, they are calling me, waiting the iron sheet. Let's go. So we left the tarmac, this one here, and we are heading home. And when you're watching these videos, guys, please subscribe. You know, I'm almost to hit 8,000 subscribers. I'm gonna appreciate for your love and support. It's by God's grace, you know. Starting from something to nothing, things like that. Ooh. From nothing to something, you know. From something to nothing, vice versa. This is a dump site here. Imagine, me, I'm not faking things, guys. I'm shooting the videos the way it is, and then we do something, man. Kindly, guys, kindly check out Felicitas on YouTube channel. I really appreciate, because she almost to hit the watching hour. I think the remaining 900. Oh, this is crazy. The remaining 900, man, we say boom. We're gonna say boom. 900 watching now, guys. Please support her as you can by watching her videos, you know, comments, and also advice on the comment section, you know. I'm trying my best to push her, you know. My drive is going crazy, but it is what it is, man. Welcome back to my village, where I normally do, you know, vlog. And soon I want to take you to Nairobi. Soon, guys, soon, because I miss the vibe of Nairobi. Nairobi is the capital city that we have in Kenya, and it's a clean city, man. I have been there once, but I need to go there, I personally, to experience, man, life. Yeah, reach for life, you know. I appreciate, man. I appreciate for your love and support. And God bless you, everybody who watching my video. Yeah, here we have the sharp corner, so we need to slow down. We're gonna slow down. here. It's in Ketu. We are back to my home. This is where I'm born and raised, man. On this humble village. I'm telling you, the way it is, you know. No man who is perfect, man. Okay. I think after that bike have some small issues. At the same time, I'm going to fix it up. Yeah. Mbuya sasa kore. Yeah. So today I'm gonna take you to my uncle, live, and then you check how everything is, and then we say boom. Geke, ainda tu. Ha, bearing era kwa nembe. Dangal. Kwani mi kwa? E bearing shingai. Tumia. Mi kurwa. Dangal pa kimu. Kamu ta auto bearing. So yeah, that's my construction material. I need to pack my bike as we move around. I'm very happy. Even guys, I haven't settled down. My video continue, you know. So we're gonna do something. And then let me wipe my camera because, you know, it goes out. Yeah, that is it. Let's go. And then I'll come to say hello to my great grandma. Kezia! Abarigan! I see my mom and my grandma right there. Okay. Akini no muhoro mjara kara tokora. Alichi mbele che service. Sprocket, take sprocket. Mia, tutai. Ana mbere yeri mbega atirira yareko. So we deliver. The iron shit. Oh my god. I supposed to do some exercise running. Whoa. I think right here. Okay guys, I'm heading there at my uncle with the iron sheets right here, and then I say boom. See guys, like that. People have already contributed. Hey. Hello.
Iga.
Hey.
Mama ne bearing nanyo ya bonekera ndani saidie mwe.
Era manu atore.
Yende. Yendana yende ndio maana ya kukora mama wiki kurusi baya tabu birri kinda ta kurusi mamro wiki tena bandu basa ame bara rusia. Pakete me wiki iganiri gana mura hata bono ndire rondo sere hata wiki.
Hale manu hayo.
Kumuja onense anu manu bata kurusi har ko moro ndire kurusi.
Wa daruse mantora akora masabu. Pikipiki yani ndio moke ntore nyumba kwa sababu ni shida tu. Itakoleta masenti. Hey. Anu mare kono mugi mane tabu nyene. Ekaler fusita mere so kiri weekend. Guys, that's my uncle's house. Right here. You just volunteer. I kumisiona. And then now we'll fix their own sheets. I think today. Ambinya mumoro ne hikire. Kwani haratera home. Oh, nera binure. Yo. Guys, that's my bike right there. So we are heading to the mechanic right now, and we're gonna fix the chain. You know, it's all morning over here. I'm outside like that. Look. Right. Gotta move, man. What about I got my hindi ngare home, man? I see the guy right there spraying the chemical. Yeah. Here we go. And actually, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. So right now we're fully outside with my guy right here. Look, kind of crazy, man. Yeah. Perimeter wall. Hey. Doremera hali matayo. Ndingi keu niko no nyuma kotema wato. Ndingi munyoro kono kotema wato. Ara he. Matayo ne we. This is good. Today is on Monday. I think the students have been inside. Security right here. Yeah. We gotta move, man, straight. Tao nara muhimu kio anyuma. Wewe. Right. Wait, tango ako to break man ako bago kumungu drive. That's a rental house. You know. Yeah. So we are hitting at Nyabohanse. When you see this rental house, we almost. Oh my God. Too. Oh yeah. Clothes hanging outside for the ladies. Jonathan. See those people? They're riding the bicycle. No joke. Yeah, all the way from Tanzania. another video, guys. I'm telling you. Hey. They're 4 strong men, you know, riding like crazy. Men at work. The last one, it seems like he was very tired. All the way from Tanzania, in Butiama. Yeah. A man can try. I see the Rasta man who was the first guy. Oh my God. There are 4 bicycles here, guys. I think you can see them. This tricky situation right here. See those men. So, hey, no joke. You sure? No joke here. No joke. Whoa. I'm in front of them. Whoa, 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 whoa. They are heading this way, guys. Alright, guys, we're still moving like that up to border town. I need to fix that bike right now because it's bringing some a little bit cash. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, so that's my driver right there, of riding for my motorbike and bring some cash to my mama. And guys, thank you so much for everybody who's supporting me. My God bless you. Without you guys, even I couldn't manage to have this bike. Without you, I couldn't manage to bring some stuff here and there. But it's by God's grace, you know. And I appreciate, guys, for your support. So today I decided to wear the black jackets. Wow. Leave a grass right there. for sure. See guys, people on motorbike. That's cool, right? We fully outside like that. So it depends the title of these videos, guys. You know, it is what it is. Let's go 20. Construction taking place right here. Actually, they are building a way bridge right there. So if the truck are coming from border town, big heavy machine, they will measure the weight there and then make the payments. Hey, dog! Come on, cow! Some people ask me, "Hello baby, what's up?" You know, nowadays every day is border town. We're gonna go there making shopping, you know, service for our motorbike. So that's my driver. So funny. Okay, let's go guys. So I think the best way, I'll wait him at the mechanic and then we'll see what's next. Supposed to do, you know. Super amazing, man. Wow. I see the little boy pushing the bicycle. Look at that. Hurrah! Yeah. Another one pushing the wheelbarrow with the napier grass. Let's go guys. Subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby of Fish. You know, that's V-Power shit right there. And I'm heading this way. Hey, some big lorries going that way. So this is border town for you, and the people are outside putting something on table. Right. This could be crazy. Alright guys, I'm just over here at the mechanic. You see this structure? And we're gonna fix the chain. I think these are brand new. Yeah. And also rammed sprockets for here. So we're already moving this. In the company I
Iki sio Ramji.
Sio Ramji.
Mabinyo mure terne.
Sasa ora kambige Ramji. Ba his proket kama ni Ramji wa story. Hey, you said mahen. Karambe tor ki Ramji hana yande kero na no wa tor. Tuoneshe Ramji. So kyonge kiko kya okeo.
Okay.
Toro kya.
Ni muru ni unero. Aya tamoja kiko kyo.
Toro kya. Toro kya uwe kiko kya okeo. O mahe. Kama tu yu akambe wa toro. Hoge Ramji. Toro kya Ramji hoge.
Tane kiro.
Sio yo. Urushinyo gambe hara. Ni watu tore. Mara mjingi hoge. Eh! Buyande. Aya. Turambe mani tu. Tangambe kukeo. Sitaki kura pesa yako pero umesumbukia. You see this one is not a Ramji company. So
Kani ya nyuma ni denga kunyere.
yeah, kana ne kamwe ni atore be.
Nana ya nyuma ni denga kunyere.
Pionso atore ke kwanga na mimi. Era mjine iko na 300. Sasa rocha na wake ngere hano rocha. Kaya
Mansi.
yeah.
Manu. Nana ya nyuma ni denga kunyere bwana. Nyen. Ni ya msini mpaka mimi mwisho.
Era mji. Kana kita dungire be ko dira be ri.
Biebe na be ni kimu kugucha be nai. Progress ni.
Progress ni.
Kana kasino ni ngikura.
Yeah.
Moga tunako na kasino ni ngikura.
Guys, this bike is bringing problem every day. I decided like to sell it, but it is what it is. Oh, rata manyere. Ronde motora hasata kunengoko. So kimo mene.
Yemura, ikasino kana chikogoro ku. Ikasino.
Chi.
Ikasino. Ikasino.
Chikasino ngetu.
Kasino hizi zinani zinazokutea.
Batemere kahara.
Chikadi.
Kiharu.
Oh.
Oni kaka mene kiaru.
Bonanza.
Bona bonanza. Ngani ngaji kure 15 hii.
Kiramba kwa watere raki. Mamori wanacheza. Oh man, let's see what's next.
Umukiri kurani.
So kimbo ko teme kope kate.
Gega manu koro. Tiganda ite.
Manu. Guys, imagine you share the name with my mechanic here. I'm Emmanuel, also him. It's Emmanuel. He is Emmanuel. Kweli nyoro kabisa tara Kenya timere toto.
Wane rano koro yandu viduka bintu ni. No ko bagani ka wewe mruze kitu. Ana ko rato muka chubi.
That's my bike. Anyway guys, we shall meet on the next vlog. Let's do this. Alright guys, this bread here and I just pull up here. So to have something to eat and then going back to the funeral, you know. So yeah, I feel like hungry, totally hungry like a goat. So I decided let me have some something small, you know. Yeah, and it's lunchtime. I have my brother here. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, for him, we have already finished eating. Yeah. Even the banana, you can't tell right here. So we're still enjoying, man. We're still enjoying. Imagine this is what we have for lunch. guys, we shall meet on the next vlog while I'm heading there. I think today we're gonna fix the iron sheets, like doing roofing. So today I show you the structure of like formwork for the house. Probably around maybe an hour we're gonna fix the iron sheets on the roof, and then maybe the following day we're gonna do what you call molding. So also they wanna fetch water around at my home here because it's around not a long distance, it's around 50 meters apart from my home here to my uncle's place. And also instead of going to the river, it's very far. Like back month I give at least everybody to fetch water. So stay tuned, let me enjoy my food here. And then imagine, since morning this is my breakfast, also it's my lunch time. I can't complain, guys. So thank you for your love and support, and we shall see on the next vlog. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, I'm outside right now. I'm heading to the funeral. I'm gonna see what's going on, what's popping. So today we're gonna fix the iron sheet, and probably these waters serve the community, for entire community. I'm telling you. Wow. Our cow grazing right there. So it is what it is. Let's go, man. And in fact, I love the way how it is in our village here. Yeah. Thank you everybody who's supporting me. May God bless you. And it's by God's grace, Yeah. Oh my God. Look, that's village vibe. So I'm gonna see whether people have already started fix the iron sheets, and then to see what's next. Imagine. Wow. But people around in my village here, majority of them didn't like the camera. So sometime when I go there, I had to pause my video, and then sometime I do shoot the videos, and then I say boom, it is what it is. So I think I wanna go that way, right there, because sometime we have what we call music copyrights, But when I'm standing here, guys, I never see anybody on the house right there. So because since morning we're still waiting the mason or carpenter for the roofing, whichever the case. He didn't arrive. When he arrived, I'll show you guys. It's by God's grace, man. Wow. So guys, to be honest, if one of you want to have a land if one of you want to be my neighbor, the land here, it's on sale. I'm telling you, right here, where you see from this side that have been plowed going up to that way, up to you see that house right there. You see where you see the entire banana, that's where they run leach, and it's around I think $5,000. Me, I'm not perfect in dollars. What I know, it's about Kenyan shillings. It's around 600,000 Kenyan shillings. That's the price that the owner puts, and we negotiate to make a deal. Me, one who willing to have a land and want to become my neighbor, the land just over here. So you just watch, and then boom, see the cow grazing right there. So let me check the time, guys. Right now it's 2:05 p.m. That's the local time. Look, that's my family member, man. And the crazy thing is, we have an open borehole here 45 feet down. Look. That's a borehole. Okay, banana. You see the thing? Okay, guys, we're heading this way. You know, it's lunchtime. We're still running here and there. Oh, what is even in Chan? Guys, you see how the house looks like? That's the window. Maybe by tomorrow we fix the iron sheet. And it's lunchtime. Imagine, we're gonna drink porridge here. Hey! If you know Master 254. Eh?
Hello guys, welcome to this village. We are in the funerals and we are shedding tears.
Yeah.
So guys, we are handling some burial here.
Good time.
If you are just interested of watching this burial until the end, we'll be very, very grateful.
Yeah guys, actually these are burial videos I do on my family, but the rest I never do it. You know. So what we're remaining with is to fix the iron sheet by tomorrow. So today we just deliver 3 of them. And one who volunteer. And it's a haru assas. Guys, imagine. These are porridge. And it's lunchtime.
Yeah.
Kada wata chere mbaka for mute. Kada mute
Sasa si tunaendelea. Yeah. Sinasikia unaongea. Ndoka ni English ni Mungu suma. Yeah.
You bro.
Yeah, you know this the uji?
Porridge
Or the uji?
Uji is in Swahili.
Me I know it has the porridge, the uji. Yeah.
Guys, you know it's lunchtime and like no girl here we drink porridge because we're in trouble section. See? That's porridge, man.
Kanipini yake. Mpesa ama?
Hello. Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello official YouTube channel. Guys, you can see here we are constructing a house here. So as you can see guys, this is because this young man here, he died without a house that we construct here because of him.
Yeah. Guys, according to our culture, I'm a Korean. So if somebody died with no house, you must build. So hiyo ndo tunafanya.
Abatega hii nyumba ni yangu nishakufa. Najengewa sasa.
Don't be crazy.
Uwe nyama kumu.
Alright guys, so right now I'm heading home. I want to pick my bike with my uncle right here, brother to my dad. Actually the funeral was been here, so we are heading to bring one of the family member who I'm calling my aunts. You know, my family is really big. Let me check my grandma first. Yeah, that's my mama right there. Let me say hello to my grandma. It's been long. Imagine this avocado. Yakorema amerara sana. I want to say hello to my great grandma because it's been a while since I give her the soup. Amekuwa kama mtoto mdogo. Korema. That's my grandma. Korema. Ekyore. Gog. Buyore. Yoko gamba. Mama narante ebiri. Tararambuwe. Sohora ari chingi changu kusomba. Hi. Guys, so let's go. I was checking my grandma and she was totally sick, you know, but I thank God, you know. Guys, yeah. Like calling my mama. What? Good. I'm chasing that dog right there. Good. Okay. Wagwan, man. So imagine I'm so crazy. Right here left the ballast, but I need to collect them and then push them towards right there. So guys, I need, when I finish this issue for the funeral, I'm gonna go back to my normal day, and then it's banger video after video. But the whole this week, I think on Friday, Saturday, let me say next week on Monday, it's banger. Nipe ufunguo. Pikipiki tuende kufuata mgeni. Temuka bungu. Kenda usibukiwe kai. Guys, welcome to Tanzania. Right now here. So we're heading to the bus station. We're gonna pick the visitor and then heading home. Tanzanian vibe. Ooh. Hey Jumbo, that's water transport. Right, guys. The rapper music. Yeah. So right now we are in Tanzania. We're gonna pick one of our aunts right here. We have Kasongo.
Yeah, we are here, Kasongo.
Walande.
Yeah. Look at the very smart seats.
Yeah, sofa set. Nice one, nice quality. You know.
The muzigo ni hii.
Muzigo ni what? Fungai. So this is the guy. Luggage. I think this is the rice.
Yeah, rice.
Devo que eu tô recondendo agora. Mas eu tô querendo pipe isso aí. Se torna mais. Hey.
Mas não tem que negar essa.
Pig. So I think this rice we eat in the barrio. So people just volunteer there and giving us the company. So they're supposed to eat steak. Yeah, young rich.
How's that?
Eu nem contar nem me tem coparepa.
Não morumo.
Aya, contar na kilo musini mungu moja mahani ngo ta mahara, but hii mcheni ya familia. Sana mungu moja. Yeah. Haona.
Aonde pita nao? Sitaondoa msibani.
Tuende tuambie wa msibani. Yeah. Tutanda hapa tena msibani.
Mama mbona bako boka?
Vai.
Basika, mbona bako boka? Wana unaweza kupanga visirani.
Okay. Eu again. Hey. Kama ni mbaya ni mbaya zote ni msibani.
Hiki mako kote.
Ya. Keparao kote. Hawezi. Sembo nengwe kare. Gabigo. Guys, you know we are 50-50. We are thinking about the police officer in the boundary. Yeah. So we are thinking this luggage because police right here. Hey.
Songo.
Tapa hatu yun.
Na kumwango ndio.
Tena wakiko kwa neopa ni kai nyuma.
Kana tekara.
Tekara tu. Wewe tika tu one way. What's that? Tena bana nimefiwa. Until usiwaze you tunaenda now. Guys, let's go. Dekara song. Yeah. That's my aunt. We try to risk, man, because of you know, tax and everything. Twende. That's my aunt right here. What up? Pole. I'm taking the guy to go slow. Because I tell the police officer we have the funeral, so they can allow us to go. Because I'm not doing business. Never. But Almighty God help us, you know. I pray just help us, man, you know. For real, man. Look, things are natural here in Tanzania, man. I'm telling you, super view. Serengeti Towers. Look at that. Yeah. So sometimes we don't want to risk, and then we say the way it is, man. So because I'm crossing the border, we shall meet some guys. Oh my God, we managed to cross the border, man, like crazy, boom. And then you know, risk for life, you know. And then I told them I'm heading to the funeral. There's no need to pay tax, man. This is crazy, you know. Around 40 kg rice, and then how should I pay the tax, man? You know. Para mesama kiki na imere ko sabi meron mo kan. Kailangan ka ba imere para hapo para puriga. Iga o. Ito ba ito ete? What the imere hano to pa kanya. Bono pa ndao mbale pere shauri hapo. Guys, because we have our aunt, we need to wait her right here. No problem. Ama na kaya ko change chile to mo kanya. Kumbe anzo tache. Dada vipi? Mambo shwari. Unapendeza.
Mora to par daga songo sligo. Simuri mitroza kana milia.
Yeah. I was out to the rumba. Yeah. You see the hawkers? You know, clothes have been aligned right there, selling clothes. Actually, men trousers. Yes. I see them. Oh. Dad. Tanzanian school bus. Batika Junior. Yeah. Oh Mario. Tutamba pa parang. Let's go. Tutamba actually. Kaya mo tayo turahet. Hey. That team. They don't fear me, man. I don't fear police. I'm in my country, man, where I'm born and raised, man. I do what I want to do, but in a good way, you know. Yeah, construction taking place right there. Let's go, man. Wewe nguru. Unajua hauna vibali vya kuendesha pikipiki wewe. Look. In border towns have been well developed, you know. Okay, my people, we'll meet home, man. Let's do this. Alright guys, we're gonna put the gas here as we go. This V-Power shell right here. Yeah, good quality, good stuff. Legit one. And then after this vlog, maybe I'll end right here. So because my time is not on my side. Wewe bana kuja tuweke mafuta. Mafuta means fuel. Anaweka ngapi? 70. Tuweke hata bia bana, hata 70.
70 ya Kenya. Sio ya diesel.
Yeah, we are putting around $0.50. So guys, here we are not faking.
They want to promote.
Promote because ore maisha ka umwene. Alright guys, so we shall meet on tomorrow's video. Thank you everybody who's supporting me. So today I'm gonna end my video here. I love you from the bottom of my heart, guys. Bye.